We are still talking about simultaneous equations using the substitution method. We are still talking about the same topic and still using the same method, substitution. We want to practice so that everyone understands how to use the method of substitution. Then in the next lesson we are going to discuss about the elimination. But before we move on to the elimination, let's understand the substitution, so that by the end of the topic everyone will be in a position to say, I know elimination better than substitution, I know substitution better than elimination. But we must be familiarized with all the topics. Now, example, 7x minus 3y is equals to 26. 2y minus 3y is equals to 1. Still using the same idea, same concept, same rules. First one, equation number 1. Then second one, equation number 2. Now decide from equation 1 and 2, which one do you want to make to use. So here, equation 1, 7x minus 3y is equals to 26. Now, which letter from this equation do you want to make the subject of the formula? X. So it means you are now taking 3y to the side. It becomes 7x is equal to 26 plus 3y. So now 7x is equals to this. We divide both sides by 7. All this by 7. So x is equals to 26 plus 3y over 7. You can see now this becomes your equation 3. Right? You move on now. Since you have used equation 1, now you substitute your equation 3 in equation 2. 2x minus 3y is equals to 1. That is equation 2. Right. Substitute your value of what? Of x. So x was 26 plus 3y over 2. Now, but here it's 2. 26 plus this. I have just removed the x and put the value of x, which I have obtained here. So the value of x here is this one. 26 plus 3y over 7. That is the value which I have substituted where there is x here. So you can see. Now, but I introduced the brackets. Then after that, you remove the brackets. Now, minus y, 3y is equals to 1. Now, if you multiply 52 plus this is equals to 3y over 1 is equals to 1. Find the common denominator. So the common denominator here is 7. The common denominator here is 7. Right. So it's 7. Now we say 7 into 7, 1. 1 times 52 plus 1 times 6y minus 21. 1 into 7 is 3. 3 times 1 into 7 is 7. 7 times 3 is 21 is equals to 1. Now from there we now move on. Right? From there we now move on to, let's check whether it was correctly done here. Right. As you can see from this stage, after having this, we now multiply both sides by 7. This side by 7 and this side by 7, so that it becomes a linear. 52 plus 6y minus 21 is equals to 7. It's now a linear. Then from there now, when it is a linear now, group like terms. 52 minus 7 is equals to 21, y minus 6y. 45, if you subtract 52 minus 7, you get 45 is equals to 15y. Divide both sides by 15, y is equals to 3. Then from there now, once you get to one value, you just decide from the question. Remember, in your question you have two simultaneous. So you just decide from the two simultaneous equations which one do you want to use. You can use equation 1 or you can use equation 2. It's up to you. So now substitute y in 1 or 2. That's why I'm saying in 1 or 2. You are deciding the equation to use. So 2x minus 3y is equals to 1. You substitute 3. 2x minus 3 in brackets y. 3 is equals to 1. Then you multiply 3 times 3, get 9. So 2x minus 9 is equals to 1. Group like terms, 2x is equals to 10. So divide both sides by 2, it gives us x is equals to 5. Now you conclude by saying x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 3. So that is all about substitution. So I'm not going to explain more about this because I explained again in the first lesson. So what I want you to do is to give you an exercise so that we have more practice in this method of substitution. So it's question 1, 2, 3, and 4. Can you try? Please, when you are substituting, introduce the bracketing system. Bracketing system, it helps especially when they are negatives. When they are positive, there's no problem. But when your term involves negatives, introduce the brackets. You discover that when you are removing the brackets, all the signs, the operation, they changes. So I encourage you, please introduce the bracketing system. Thank you very much.